How to turn off sensitive content on X account. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in X login and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, X login. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now over here, type in your X account's credentials, phone, email, or username. Once you type in, click on next. Type in your password. Click on login. After you log in, you will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now click on the option of privacy and safety. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Click on this option of content you see. Now you have to check in for this option of display media that may contain sensitive content. Likewise, open this option, search settings. Now disable for this option of hide sensitive content. With that, you have just turned off sensitive content settings. So this is how you can easily turn off sensitive content on your X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.